In this lecture, I will show you how to create another table. The table that will link to employee table. This table will store department details. Start by creating new table. Name the first column as Department ID. Set data type to int. Then set as primary key. Same as before, is identity, select yes. Now we have department ID as primary key. Next is name of the department. I will entitle as department name. Set varchar 50. Create another column as remarks. Entitle as notes. Set varchar 255. You can add more information, this is only an example. Save and entitle as departments. Close it. Go to the table and refresh. Then you will see the tables of employees and departments. If you want to make changes, right-click at the table and select Design. Then you can make any changes. Next, I will show you how to create a relationship between these two tables. For Employees table, right-click and select Top 1000 row. You will see the column of Department ID. This column will store numbers. We will link the Department ID column in the Employees table with the Departments table by linking with Department ID. Inside the Employees table, we call this foreign key, or FK. Inside the Departments table, we call this primary key, or PK. We will link these two columns to create relationship between these two tables. It will show the department of the employees, or it can show the numbers of employee under each department. So we need to create relationship, close them down first. Right-click Database Diagram. Select New Database Diagram. Click Yes on the notification window. Now you see two tables. Double-click each table. This is not complicated. You can array the table by click and drag the table anywhere. Let me arrange the tables. Adjust the size of the tables. Next, click the primary key. Click Department ID on Departments table. And drag to Department ID on Employees table, like this. I will close this for now, I'll show you again. Click and hold Department ID on Departments table. And drag to Department ID on Employees table. You will see the line. The program is now creating relationship named FK _ employees _ departments. You don't have to set any value, SSMS will automatically adjust it. Which table has the primary key? The primary key is inside Departments table. You can choose column under Department ID. You can only select primary key. Next, we will link with foreign key. Foreign key is in Employees table. Select column, Department ID. Click OK. You can expand the window. Next, click Tables and Column Specification. Expand. You will see the previous set of value. Foreign key base table is employees. Foreign key column is department ID. Primary key table is departments. Primary key column is department ID. After checking values, click OK. You can see the relationship line. You can move the line by using double head arrow. Drag the line to the column. Then save database diagram. Right-click at the top table tab. And save. Entitle and enter. You will see the notification window showing changes in relationship. Click Yes. If you want to change the relationship, I close the relationship window first. Click Refresh at database diagram. Click plus to expand. You will see the name of your diagram. Double-click and it will show the relationship window. If you want to make changes, right-click on the relationship line, select Properties. The Properties window will pop up on your right-hand side, then you can make any changes here. That's it for this lecture. See you in the next lecture. Thank you so much.